Okokobioko MC Galaxy
Hi guys, it's Zanna and today we're going to be doing Cooking with Zanna episode 4. We're going to be making a special delicacy, an Igbo delicacy, and these are the ingredients that we've got. So this is called Ụkwa, and we've also got onions, we've got pepper, we've got herring fish, we've got fresh corn, but you could also use dry corn, and we've got greens. They don't usually use greens, but we want to use it. I want to use it so that it's healthier. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and relax and enjoy.
Okokobioko MC Galaxy we call them second. Open your legs. One hand on your waist, one hand on your chest. Oh yeah, second. It's a nayo panga. It's a nayo panga. Ibadi e ashe. Ukugika bacha. Yemane nima. Yemane nima. Yemama. Omi ma fara. Noima si mayo. One hand on your waist, one hand on your chest. Oh yeah, second. It's in the yoke, maga. 101 maga. Imana tia maga. Where my baby yo? Where my baby yo? And then play Roma. Roma, make you second. If you second for me, I go teach you my language. Imana law. Listen the way. Even na my husband. I want na my wife. Idian kwana come to MC Galaxy. Nengunek, tea spice. I want to second. Oh yeah, open your legs. This one na my new dance. One hand on your waist, one hand on your chest. This one na my second. Mandela people second, Ụkwa people second, Obama people second, Elisa people second, Niger people second. Yeah, anyone know, Bobby ma faro, Mama won Bobby ma. Baby mio. Open your leg, one hand on your waist, one hand on your chest. That's the second, move your body, touch the second. Oh yeah, second. See my baby, she the wine up for me. Baby, second for me. I go buy you water. If you second for me, I go give you money. From Papa, see ya. Second. Okokobioko. Somebody say Gala. They call me Galaxy. Original comedian. Etiki master. Now second master. I want to second na new dance yo. Godzilla Fabio. Second. Oshomole. Second. Leo Imoge. Second. Imoni. Second. Ayuri. Second. Mr. Felix. Second. Dandugo. Second. Tony Houston. Second. King Jide. the mayor of Cape Town, South Africa. Second.